TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 9 a.m. Eastern Time, October 18th, 30 minutes until the opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as we're looking for a higher opening this morning. Dow futures up 88 points, trading at 23,039. I'll have to get used to that 23,000 number in front of there. NASDAQ futures up 4 points, trading at 61.27. And S&P futures up 3.7 points, trading at 25.60. Jumping over to the VIX, as the market creeps higher, the VIX creeps a little bit lower. Still, relative basis, 10.17 on the VIX, low volatility. We reached 10.46 yesterday, up from a 9 handle. We'll see where that shakes out as the day proceeds. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, jump into some of the futures markets ahead of the opening bell. Starting things off with the S&P 500. Here we are as we've crept higher this morning. Currently, S&P 500 futures trading at 25.60. Looking at NASDAQ 100, similar pattern, trading higher this morning, looking for an higher opening for that opening bell. NASDAQ futures 61.28, NASDAQ 100, excuse me. Crude oil with a little bit of a boost, and let's pull this up. So crude, we had API numbers last night showing a draw of 7.13 million barrels versus an expected drawdown of 3.9. So that putting a little bit of a bid in that crude contract, but we'll see where our EIAs show. So 10:30, an hour and a half from right now, we'll be live on the air. We'll have crude EIA inventories. We'll see where those send that crude oil futures market. And then gold continuing to struggle. Gold trading at $12.8173, down about $5 pre-market this morning. So 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we had housing numbers that came out as well, and housing numbers not doing too well. Some of that may be some of the storms that came in. Housing starts decreased 4.7% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.127 million units. It fell to a one-year low in September as Hurricanes Harvey and Irma disrupted the construction of single-family homes in the South, suggesting that housing probably remained a drag on economic growth in the third quarter. We'll see where that shakes out as well. And other fundamental news, we had IBM coming out with their earnings last night, doing well for themselves. Check out IBM. Closed yesterday 146.54, currently trading at 156.25, and IBM reporting earnings of $3.30 per share, 2 cents a share above estimates, and their cognitive solutions, which is their Watson unit, up about 3.7%. We'll see where that trading day shakes out for Big Blue. Have a great day, everybody. Larry Pezzimento coming up right now, and I'll be back at 10 o'clock with those oil numbers. Have a great morning.